Good morning to all. I am Akshata Dwivedi of Standard 7B standing in front of you to say something against reservation. Constitution makers started reservation for 10 years only, but after that the politicians started to extend its time for the fulfillment of their political needs. Today we see many cases where the doctors operate wrong organs during operation, and in that case reservation is fully responsible. If a student who gets 600 marks will not become a doctor and a student who gets 500 marks will become a doctor by reservation, then these types of cases will happen and the patients will continue to die. I believe that this country still needs reservation, but should be basis on the economic. It should not be basis on the caste. When people who cannot even got 2 meals for the day should get the reservation, and not people of the capable family who should not get reservation, who can fulfillment their requirements on their own. At last, I want to say that the reservation policy cannot is not fulfilling its main aim for the upliftment of the weaker sections, but the reserved people are taking many advantages of it. So I want to say that reservation should be on the economic basis, not on the caste. Thanks.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Shubhaditya of class 8A standing before you to deliver a speech on the topic reservation. Friends, I am against reservation. Reservation was allotted because our constitutional framers wanted to bring weaker sections of societies in front. It proved as a boon for them, but as a curse for us, that is generals. At last, I want to say that reservation should be eliminated and financial help and support should be given to students that are capable. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Piyu Parmar. I study in class 7th A. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic reservation is not important. Reservation is one of the usual strategies to provide social equality, justice and opportunity. Indians remain bound to each other in mutual contempt in the name of caste. Reservation is supposed to provide more equitable access to scarce resources of education and employment. However, the lack of educational and employment resources was and remains so intense that instead of reducing caste discrimination, it has unintentionally sucked out hope. Everyone feels cheated, those who benefit from it and those who do not. At last, I would like to say that talent is important. In the compare of talent, reservation doesn't mean anything. Thank you.
Reservation is considered as murder of merit, as there is reservation in UPSC NEET. In NEET there is 65% reservation. It is like so 2 person is said to run and 1 person is said to run with 200 meter and 1 big person to at 0 meter. There should be only reservation for physically disabled and economic backward classes. Thank you.
I am Meghraj of class 7A and today the big debate competition on the topic reservation is held. So I want to say something about reservation. Reservation is an affirmative action taken up by the Indian state to uplift the marginalized and historically disadvantaged sections of the country. Stated in Article 15 and 16 of the Indian Constitution, reservation is meant to be a step towards achieving the equality of the lower caste people. The reservation has helped the people of lower caste to achieve their goals. They are now being included in politics, education, etc. The reservation is a ray of hope for that type of people that they can achieve their goals. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Ayush Kumar Pandey of class 7th A to deliver a speech on the topic reservation system in India. I say something against about the reservation system in India. As we know that reservation system gave many chances to low backward class. Reservation is based on caste but not in merit based. It acts as a barrier on the developing our country. Thank you.
Standard 7A, I am here to deliver a speech on the topic reservation, against the reservation. Reservation destroys our self-respect. The main disadvantage of reservation it is depend on caste, not on merit.
Good morning friends. I am here to deliver a speech on the reservation. My name is Ayush Raj and I read in class 7B. Reservation destroys self-respect.
Reservation is an act of withholding curtain enjoyed by the particular person, community, and no other person, community has the right reserved thing. Reservation Government of India norms 15% and 7.5%. Thank you.
General caste peoples who were historically heavily discriminated by the general caste peoples who were considerably more developed at that time.
Friends, I am Priyansi of class 7 and standing in the front of you to deliver a speech on the topic against in reservation system. Reservation means an arrangement to have something else for our wants or use of particular things. Reservations in early India social system were divided in 4 varnas according to their work, that is Brahman, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras. Later it brings inequality among people. After getting independence, India makes its own constitution.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Jigyasha and I am here to express my views on the topic reservation system in India. So before jumping to the actual topic, that is reservation system in India, let us discuss what does reservation means. Reservation in India refers to the practice of reserving a certain percentage of seats. From my point of view, reservation should be made on the basis of not on the basis of caste or religion. It should be made on the basis of poverty to uplift the poor section of India. Those who are in need, not for those who are just reaping the benefits of the reservation. So at last, I conclude my debate by saying that thank you and have a nice day.
Myself Purnima of Standard 9th A, I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the speech against reservation. So many demerits of reservation, especially in education sector. Students who are not getting jobs in India due to reservation are migrating to other foreign countries to getting jobs. In national exams like IIT and NEET, there is also reserved seats for SCs, STs and OBCs, and in every sector SCs, STs and OBCs are getting reservation, and that's because general who are able for this job is not getting that job. At last I want to say that there is no At last, I want to say that from my point of view, that there is no reservation is needed anymore. Thank you so much.
Myself, Sudekshina of class 9th A. In my opinion, reservation is not useful for our country because it sometimes it is so harmful for our generals. And the student who gets only 60%, 40% in the exam, and when some student get 95%, 85% in their exams, and then also the low marks student get the jobs and become doctor, engineers. then you think about it and what happened to that offices or their hospitals.
A backward of reservation policy. Reservation in India referred of practice to reserving a count percentage of seat in government institution of people belonging to backward and underrepresented communities. Thank you.
Respected sir, in India,
I am Anushi Singh of class 11th Commerce. Today I am here to express my views against the reservation. As we know, reservation is something which violate our equality in our country. Whenever we talk about equality, there should be not any barriers between merits and her dreams. Reservation acts as a barriers between indie cities. It causes social unrest. We know that reservation is meaningless without equality. Thanks.
Today I am Swapnil Devi of Standard 11 standing in front of you to deliver a short speech against the Indian reservation system. Friends, we know that when a medicine is used for longer time, it causes dependency of the patient on that medicine. In other words, it never cures the disease for which it was prescribed. Okay, so we know that all the remedies have of course a duration after which it had to be stopped. Same is applicable for reservation. Initially it was meant for 10 years, but the sustenance of reservation in the Indian society, it has been a cause of social disparity, social unrest and inequality in the society. Friends, it was supposed to provide equitable access to scarce resources in the society, but evidences show that it has sucked all the hope of equality. Friends, we need to know that reservation is beneficial for only short term. It is very, very harmful for society in the long run.